Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best hearing protection is probably one of the most crucial pieces of gear for any shooter. Protecting your hearing is paramount to enjoying the sport for years to come. In this video, we'll dive into the best options available, comparing different types of hearing protection, from simple earplugs to advanced electronic earmuffs, so you can make an informed decision and safeguard your hearing on the range or in the field. Number 5. For Sho 34 dB NRR Ear Muffs. These earmuffs offer the highest noise reduction in a slim design. They provide excellent comfort without the bulkiness of traditional earmuffs. Made with high-quality materials, these earmuffs are built to last. The soft padded headband ensures you can wear them comfortably for extended periods. The flexible headband and rotatable ear cups adjust to fit most sizes. They provide a snug fit for optimal noise isolation, ensuring a comfortable experience. Designed to be compact, these earmuffs fold up for easy storage. You can easily take them anywhere without adding extra weight or bulk. Perfect for various activities, from mowing the lawn to working in a factory. They are also suitable for those with sensory needs or autism. These earmuffs come in standard and large sizes to fit a wide range of users. Search for the large size if needed. What we like. This earmuff boasts the highest noise reduction rating in a compact design. It's also designed for comfort, with an adjustable fit for all ages. If you are looking for maximum protection without the bulk, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Noise reduction is perfect. The adjustable fit is great. They were comfortable, heavy-duty but lightweight and blocked out enough of the harmful decibels while still allowing us to hear the announcements. Number 4. 2 banded earplugs with replacement pods. These earplugs offer a compact and affordable way to reduce sound levels. They allow you to hear clearly while protecting your ears from loud noises. It's perfect for various activities. The silicone pods are washable and replaceable. You can easily clean them or swap them out for new ones. This ensures the earplugs remain hygienic and effective. The durable headband rests comfortably around your neck when not in use. This makes it easy to keep them handy. The design ensures they are always accessible. Made from high-quality, non-toxic silicone, these earplugs are safe to use. They provide worry-free hearing protection. You can trust them to keep your ears safe. These over-the-head banded earplugs are designed for small and medium-sized heads. They provide a comfortable fit. You can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. Each pair of earplugs comes in its own plastic bag. This ensures good sanitation and hygiene. This packaging keeps them clean and ready to use. What we like. This ear protection features a unique banded design with replaceable, washable pods. The convenient headband allows you to keep it around your neck when not in use. If you need a simple, reusable solution for moderate noise reduction, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use. Comfortable fit. Keeps noise refused to comfortable level. They really do keep the noise out. Very comfortable to wear and there is no fear of losing them as they fit snug around your neck. Fits perfectly, I can hear my heartbeat. Sound very well blocked. Number 3. Reusable earplugs 100 pair, 25 dB hearing protection. These reusable earplugs provide excellent noise reduction. They are perfect for various loud activities, ensuring your hearing is protected in any environment. You can easily wash these earplugs with soap and water. This allows you to reuse them multiple times, offering a cost-effective and sustainable solution. Each pair comes individually sealed in a plastic bag. This packaging keeps them clean and makes it easy to carry them with you wherever you go. These earplugs have passed CE and ANSI certifications. You can trust that they meet high safety and quality standards, providing reliable protection. The fabric cord is removable for convenience. You can remove it before sleeping and reattach it when you need it, ensuring they stay comfortable and secure. What we like. These reusable earplugs are washable and come with a convenient cord. Each pair is individually wrapped for hygiene. If you're looking for a cost-effective and eco-friendly option for regular use, you'll appreciate the durability and convenience of these earplugs. What people say. The silicone material makes them much easier to insert and remove than foam earplugs. Comfort and sound levels can also be adjusted by moving the earplug to the desired location in the ear canal. They are able to be cleaned and reused for many weeks at a time. The ends do not fall off very easily compared to a lot of other brands. Number 2. 10-pair corded reusable earplugs. These earplugs offer excellent noise reduction, making them ideal for various loud environments. They are perfect for shooting ranges, construction sites, and any activity where hearing protection is essential. Each pair comes individually sealed in a plastic bag. This ensures they remain clean and sanitary, whether you keep them at work, in your car, or in your bag. Designed for longevity, these reusable silicone earplugs can withstand daily use. You can easily clean them, making them a cost-effective and sustainable choice. The fabric cord is removable, offering flexibility in how you use them. Remove it for sleeping and reattach it for work, ensuring they stay with you. These earplugs have passed CE and ANSI certifications, guaranteeing they meet high safety and quality standards. You can trust them to provide reliable hearing protection. What we like. These corded earplugs are designed for repeated use and come individually wrapped for cleanliness. The cord is removable for added convenience. If you want a reliable, easy-to-use solution for shooting ranges or construction sites, you'll find these to be a practical choice. What people say. The ear protection is very comfortable and the sound quality is great. The electronic ear protection works great and the sound quality is excellent. The ear protection is very comfortable. Number 1. Quality foam earplugs 200 pair. Tired of loud noises? These earplugs offer maximum noise reduction, perfect for various activities. They help you get the peace and quiet you deserve. These disposable earplugs are designed for comfort. They expand to fit your ears securely without causing irritation. Each pair of earplugs is individually sealed. This ensures good sanitation, making them safe and convenient to use. Rest assured, these earplugs meet high safety standards. They have passed CE and ANSI certifications, guaranteeing their quality and reliability. Using these earplugs is simple. They compress easily for insertion and expand for a snug fit. You get 200 pairs, that's 400 earplugs in total. Made from high-quality, soft foam, these earplugs are pleasant to wear. The non-toxic material ensures they are safe for extended use. What we like. These foam earplugs offer a high noise reduction rating and are made from soft, comfortable foam. Each pair is individually wrapped for hygiene. If you need maximum noise cancellation for sleeping, shooting, or working in loud environments, this product provides excellent protection and comfort. What people say. Works as required. The noise reduction is perfect for loud spaces and are an easy fit, easy to take anywhere and will also work for sleeping with someone who snores. Blocks out enough noise yet still able to hear those around you talking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.